Hey guys, Willie here, Energy Products and Design with another pro tip. You wood burners out there are gonna love this one. When you got a wood burning fireplace, you always tend to have a little bit of soot on your door. You can see how this has got some soot on it here, a little bit of grime. So you take just a simple paper towel, get it a little bit damp, dip it into this white ash that's left behind from the previous night's fire. Smear that around on the glass window itself, and it creates kind of this white ashy paste. That ash is fine enough that it's got a little bit of grit in it to it. It creates that paste, but yet it won't scratch the glass window at all. Takes that soot right off. Nice and simple. No cleaning products that are needed to be used. Nice and clean. Beautiful. If you like this pro tip, hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more tips. This is Willie with Energy Products and Design. I'll see you guys next time.